Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar, hauls and reviews. On my channel you can find definitely hauls and reviews. Under hauls I do have makeup, skincare, accessories and lot of skincare as well. And under reviews you can find lot of reviews for makeup products as well as skincare products, and I do have lot of comparison videos as well on my channel. So if this is what you are looking out for, then yes, you are at the right place. Please consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to have some latest updates from my end, then definitely do follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links of the same will also be given in the description box, so please check that as well. Now, if you cannot see any liner or anything on my eyelid, yes, then this is what we are going to do today. I am going to compare two of the eyeshadow sticks. If you are a lazy person, lazy bum like me, who do not like to do lot of eyeshadow, who do not like to struggle with eyeshadows, yes, then definitely for us eyeshadow sticks are a boom. So what I am going to do today is I am going to compare K-Beauty eyeshadow stick with the Seri Cosmetics eyeshadow stick. Yes, I am going to compare these two products together in one video. Right? Now I got these products basically from Nykaa. Y'all can see the box. Basically a huge Nykaa haul is also going to come on my channel, so stay tuned for that. But before that, I just thought of this product came little bit early. It arrived, I ordered 2 days back and immediately I got the delivery. So what I have decided, I decided to do this video first and the haul will come up later on. So I got this product from Nykaa in this bubble wrap as usual, normal Nykaa packaging. Alright, and definitely you can check the bill. Okay, not a sponsored video. Definitely I have got both the products by my own money. This is not at all a sponsored video. Alright, now you can find lot of individual videos for K-Beauty eyeshadow stick as well as for Seri Cosmetics eyeshadow stick. You can find lot of individual reviews, but then what is different? So that is what we are going to compare it in today's video. Okay, for K-Beauty the packaging is like this. Okay, it is this kind of, you all must have seen, but still I'll show you. It is this kind of cardboard packaging, and on the back side all the details are given, like the manufacturing date, everything is given except the MRP. Yes, MRP is not given on K-Beauty's eyeshadow stick, not on the box as well as not on the eyeshadow stick. MRP is not given on this. Whereas, and the eyeshadow stick comes in this kind of plastic wrapping. I just kept it to show you how it comes, and like you can get some better idea. So this eyeshadow stick was wrapped in this plastic and it was kept in this particular box, and the shade which I ordered is Special Effects. Y'all can see Special Effects. Alright, now Seri Cosmetics eyeshadow stick comes in this kind of only black box, that is black cardboard packaging. No inner packaging for this, and this is like it was kept in the packaging, but y'all can see the box is like cushioned. Under that there is some thin thermocol layer is given inside the box, so the eyeshadow stick is very safe. There are no chances of breakage. Of course, even this also, if you see, they have given you some inside layer or something for the cardboard so that the eyeshadow stick will not move. So even this is also safe. Alright, now the shade which I ordered is a Special Effects, and in this I have ordered is E7 Smoky. Y'all can see E7 Smoky. Right? And when you flip it over here, y'all can see all the details on this, the MRP and each and everything, the manufacturing MRP and everything is given over here. Now what we will do is, I will just swatch the two eyeshadow sticks on my hand first. Then we will talk about the details. Then we will see whether these both are smudging or no. And then after some time, like after doing all this, I'll pause the video, I'll go and I'll apply on my left hand side, I'll apply K-Beauty, and on my right hand side, I will apply the Seri Cosmetics, so that we can come to know how it applies. And that is why I have not applied anything on my eyelids. My eyelids are bare. They don't have any liner, only mascara. So definitely we will check that. So first we will just swatch. This is the packaging of eyeshadow stick. We will just first swatch, then we will discuss. What I'll do is I'll swatch here first and then I'll show you I'll swatch both the eyeshadow stick first and I'll show you together only. Okay, now these are the swatches. You all can see this is the special effects from Kay Beauty. This is basically a light rose gold color with shimmer particles inside it, and this is the Seri Cosmetics one E7 Smoky. This is a total black but with glitters inside it. Okay, so these are the total 2 swatches of the products. Now we will talk about the packaging and all. Both comes with the packaging of cardboard. They both have cardboard packaging. Alright, now we will talk about the shelf life. The shelf life of this is 2 years and approximate 4 months, because that is what I have concluded from the manufacturing and expiry. And this one is for 3 years. Alright, now if we talk about the cost, this is for 599 rupees, the Kay Beauty one, but definitely on Nykaa you can get it for 20 to 25% off. So when I got it, it was on 25% off, so you can say it was for 449 rupees. And this is actually for 499 rupees, but when I got it from, I guess, Nykaa only, yes of course, from Nykaa it was at flat 299 rupees. Right, so this is what basically the shelf, like the cost and everything. Now we will talk about the net content. The net content in this is 1.6 grams, whereas the net content in this is 2.5 grams. So over here you get more content and in less price. Okay, and in this you pay more but you are getting less content. Okay, this is like what the content and MRP we talked about. Now if we talk about where it is made, this is made in Germany, to be very precise, Europe, Germany, and this is proudly made in India product. So this is like where made in, like all the details. Now if we talk about the shade range and all, over here in Kay Beauty you do get 12 shades for metallic and I guess 8 shades for matte shades, 8 shades for matte range, and in this you do get 7 shades only, and this shade names is like E1, E2, E3, E4, and that is why my shade is E7 Smoky. Alright, so that is what the shade range and all. This is not retractable, that is you cannot retract it, you have to sharpen it. Alright, whereas the Seri one is retractable, you all can see, so no need for sharpener. Okay, the Kay Beauty one doesn't come with the sharpener, mind well, doesn't come with the sharpener, you have to get your own sharpener. Okay, now availability, if we talk about this particular product, it is available on Kay Beauty's own website as well as exclusive on Nykaa. Only 2 places, not anywhere else as of now from when I am making the video till now. Okay, and this Seri Cosmetics is easily available on Amazon as well as it is available on their own website, that is Seri Cosmetics, as well as on Nykaa's own website. Alright, so 3 places, 2 places. Now if we talk about the claims, what it claims and all, this is cruelty free, this is paraben free, this is dermatologically tested, and this is waterproof. This is, they have claimed, and the claims for this is enriched with red raspberries. That is what specifically given on their website as well as on Nykaa also, you can check it out. Plus this is smudge proof and they say it is highly pigmented. Highly pigmented, yes, I agree with it, and rest all claims we can just check it out right now. We will right now first check about the smudge proof test. Alright, so this is the Kay Beauty one. What I'll do is I'll smudge from here because I cannot see. This is my finger, nothing is there on my finger. First one we will check with the Kay Beauty. It is getting smudged but not much. But definitely I have like smudged it very vigorously. We will not smudge that much vigorously on our eyes. So definitely you can say Kay Beauty one is good in smudging. Like, okay, and like my second finger, this is like we will check for now Seri Cosmetics. See, it is getting smudged, it is getting faded also. You all can see over here, it is getting faded, but it is also there on my hands also. So definitely not a single one is smudge proof, not a single one like they smudges, but not very much. Now what I will do is, after applying on my eyelid, what I will do is I will check for the waterproof test also. So now I will pause the video. I will go, I will apply some concealer. I will not apply any kind of transition shades. Yes, I will directly apply this shades only. Left K Beauty, right Seri Cosmetics. I will not apply any transition. It will be only this color. And mind well, I am not a makeup artist, so please do not judge me on that. I am not claiming to be a good makeup artist, and I am not that creative. So if there is some like issue with my application or something, then please don't judge me for that. This is just to show you how it applies on my eyes. So this is just an effort from my end. So I will now pause the video and I will apply and I will come back. Yes, now I am back. You all can see I have already applied. On my left I have applied the K Beauty, and on my right I have applied the Seri Cosmetics. You all can easily see. Don't worry, I will apply. I will like zoom you in after some time. When I tell you I'm zooming you in, that time you can just check. This is K Beauty and this is Seri Cosmetics. Both the eyeshadows are their best in their own way. I have not applied any transition shade. I have just like tapped it with my finger and I've just tried to make it a smooth appearance. Alright, so what I'll do is in the end I will zoom you in so that you can have a better idea. Right now what we will do is, these are the hand swatches. We will just check the waterproof test. The K Beauty one claims for waterproof, but this one doesn't claim for waterproof, but we will still see. Now this is like my wet hands. You all can see I have already wet my hands. This is K Beauty one. You all can see nothing comes out. So yes, K Beauty one is waterproof, right? Now we will check about the Seri Cosmetics. Definitely they don't claim to be waterproof. This is my hand wet. So even you can see, even that doesn't come out. But the color which I chose is black color. So definitely it is fading little bit. I'm not saying it is not at all fading or it is like this only, like nothing is happening. It is fading little bit, but then too it is manageable. And for me, this is like definitely will stay up to 5 to 7 hours without like touch up or anything. That is what I can definitely make out from the swatches and from the when I applied it. Okay, now I will tell you just one thing. When I applied the Seri Cosmetics one, of course the shade is black one. So while applying the liner, I was finding it little bit difficult because the color is black. Otherwise, there is no issue. Since this is copper gold color, I was not having any issue with the application part and anything. And I forgot to tell you, this one comes with the plastic coating, but the sticker was on the that plastic. So what I did, I just removed it and I applied it over. I stuck it on this bottom, and the shade name is mentioned over here. It is in very teeny tiny fonts. Okay, and on this there is no specifications given. Nothing is written on the crayon. So you have to keep this, or else you make a label of expiry and everything and you keep this. If you have only one shade, then no need to write the shade name. But if you have multiple, then you have to write the shade name, because nothing is on the this, whereas this sticker you can apply. Okay, so now I'll just end the video over here. If you are watching till here, and in the end don't forget to watch the close-up clip. And if possible, I'll attach that clip, or attach the photo in the thumbnail. But if possible, I cannot guarantee you for that. So if you're watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, because I do come up with lot of different video ideas on my channel. So definitely do subscribe, consider subscribing, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make on, definitely that also you can comment down below and leave a comment how you felt this video. Alright, so till my next video, I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.